We're counting down the top 8 factory secrets hiding in modern BMWs, features built in by the manufacturer that most owners never realize they have. From clever comfort hacks to tech upgrades and a deep dive into diagnostic tools, each item on this list unlocks real daily advantages. Ready to discover what your BMW is really capable of? Let's kick things off with number 8. 8th place goes to Welcome Lights, a feature that turns your BMW's exterior into a personal light show every time you approach. With the right hardware, usually option code S430A, your car can greet you by lighting up the door handles, side markers, and even the ground around your doors. It is more than just a stylish hello. It actually makes night access safer and more convenient. To activate or customize, head into your iDrive menu, Settings, then Lighting, and select Welcome Lights. Most 3 Series, 5 Series, and X models support this if you have the right package. Just a few taps, and your BMW welcomes you home in style. Number 7 is all about remote window control using your BMW key fob, a trick that is easy to miss but a real lifesaver on hot days. With a long press on the unlock button, you can vent all the windows before you even get in. To set it up, go to Vehicle Settings, then Doors and Windows, and toggle Comfort Opening. Some models need a quick coding session with tools like NCS Expert or a retrofit module such as GW51MO2 if the option is not there. For security, remember that relay attacks can exploit keyless systems, so keep your fob in a Faraday pouch when you are not driving. It is a blend of pure convenience and smart security, unlocking fresh air with a single press while staying a step ahead of high-tech car thieves. Number 6 unlocks the power of BMW's heads-up display customization, a feature that turns your windshield into a personalized command center. If your car is equipped with option code S563, you can choose what information appears, from speed and navigation to audio and incoming calls, all projected right in your line of sight. Dive into the iDrive menu, tap Car, then Display Settings, and select Head-Up Display. Here you can tweak brightness, change the vertical position, and pick exactly which data fields show up. With a few taps, you keep your eyes on the road while getting the details that matter most, tailored to your driving style. Number 5 is all about hands-free access to your BMW's trunk, perfect when your arms are full of groceries or gear. If your car came with comfort access, option code S563A, you have a hidden sensor right under the center of the rear bumper. Stand behind the car with your key fob nearby and kick your foot straight in and out under the license plate area. The trunk pops open, no buttons, no juggling bags. To make sure it is enabled, go into the iDrive menu, choose Car, then Settings, Doors and Windows, and look for tailgate options. If it is not working, check for a trailer hitch or dirt blocking the sensor, and remember the motion needs to be quick and centered. This is the ultimate convenience hack, and once you use it, you will never want to go back. Number 4 unlocks remote start and cabin preconditioning through the BMW Connected app, a feature that turns your phone into a personal climate concierge. If your BMW was built for the United States market and has live cockpit professional option code 6U3, you can heat or cool the interior before you even step outside. Start by checking if remote engine start appears in your car's iDrive menu under climate control settings. Enable it, agree to the terms, and then pair your vehicle with the My BMW app. The service runs on a connected drive subscription, so double-check your account status. Once set up, tap Climatize Now in the app, and your BMW fires up the engine to reach your last used temperature settings, shutting off after 15 minutes to save fuel. This is next-level comfort, but it is not available everywhere. Hardware, software, and legal details all have to line up. Number 3 is the BMW Parking Assistant, a semi-autonomous system that takes the stress out of tight spots. With the right hardware package, such as S5DX and a full suite of cameras and ultrasonic sensors, your BMW can steer itself into parallel or perpendicular spaces while you control the brakes and gear shifts. Activation is simple. Press the PA button near the gear lever or select Parking Assistant from the iDrive menu. The system works at low speeds, usually under 22 miles per hour, and it requires you to keep your hands ready. Supervision is always needed. It is a leap from comfort features into real driving tech, offering advanced convenience without sacrificing safety. This is where BMW's engineering shines, blending automation with driver control for a smarter, safer parking experience. Number 2 reveals the hidden test menu built right into your BMW instrument cluster, a secret tool for instant diagnostics without any fancy equipment. Here's how you unlock it. With the ignition on but the engine off, press the start button 3 times quickly, then hold down the trip reset or BC button for about 7 to 10 seconds. The screen flashes into a special mode, showing up to 20 data screens. You will see live battery voltage, coolant temperature, fuel level, and more, all in real time. These menus are read only, so you cannot accidentally change anything vital. It is the perfect do-it-yourself hack for checking your car's health before a road trip or after a battery swap. This menu is available on most BMWs from 2011 onward with CIC or NBT clusters. It is the ultimate insider move, giving you dealer-level info with just a few button presses. And finally, in first place, BMW's VIN-locked Secret Service menu is the ultimate insider tool. To unlock it, add up the last 5 digits of your VIN. For example, if your VIN ends in 12345, your code is 15. Enter that in the Unlock submenu, and suddenly you are looking at deep module data, adaptation counters, and even CAN traces. But here's the catch. Change the wrong setting, and you could void your warranty or cause real trouble. This menu is not just hidden, it is powerful and risky, giving you dealer-level diagnostics most owners never see. Use it for live data, resets, or just to see what is under the hood, but always proceed with caution. Across all 8 features, one truth stands out. BMW packs serious power and convenience into every model, but only for drivers who dig deeper. Master the hidden tech, and your car's true potential is waiting.